this video, I will customize your desktop with a mini Trivi skin. Tata BT21 and Taehyung Wallpaper that I use is a request from Nyalakan and Bagia Sunil Kumar. Thank you so much for the request. First, as usual, install the Rainmeter, then unload the skin. Next, install the mini TV skin and select the position. It looks like I have to change the scale and layout of my laptop. I will use Tata and Taehyung wallpapers. You can find them in the link in the description box. Next, I will change the color of the skin. For the first background, I will change it to normal. The color for background 2 is the color for the clock and application. After determining the color, click OK. If there is no change, right-click refresh the skin. See, the color has changed. I will change the text color to black. I will change the background color 3 to a reddish color. For the name, change it to TriviaVid. I will connect the music player to Spotify. For the icon image here, I will replace it with my icon image. You can find the icon on the Pinterest link on my description box. Click Edit on the dog. I've prepared the picture. The image needs to be copied and pasted into the icon folder. You can find the folder in the Rainmeter, Skin, Mini TV, Resources, Icon. First, I will change the Chrome icon. Copy and paste it into the icon folder. Match the icon name. For the link, because they are both Chrome, so I wanna change it. Then, save the file and refresh the skin. Next, I will try the website icon. I will try with the VLive icon in the same way as before. For the link, open Chrome, copy and paste the VLive link into Notepad earlier and save the file. Refresh it and look at the icon already changed. Next, I will change all of the icons. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to the TriviaVid YouTube channel.